Hi friends, and welcome back to Trinikidstv. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's nice of you to join us today. Now friends, let's get started by singing our good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now, let's get started with our day of the week today. Now, yesterday was Thursday, and now today is Friday. Yes, and it's a wonderful Friday because we get to do our Cooking Friday activity. Are you excited, friends? Well, remember that we are going to be using our solar oven that we made yesterday today to make our cooking activity. Alright friends, now let's say the months of the year and sing our 7-day song. Let's say the months. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, there are 12 months in a year. How many months? Yes, 12 months in a year. And how many days of the week do we have? Yes, 7. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, there are 7 days of the week. Isn't that wonderful? Now that we know that, let's find out about our wonderful weather for today. Alright my friends, are you excited? Today's weather is very important because we are going to be using our solar oven to cook for our cooking activity. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Let's look out the window and see what kind of weather are we having today. It's a cloudy day today, friends. We can talk about our shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day for today is a triangle. Yes, a triangle is our shape of the day. It has 3 lovely sides and 3 corners. And that's a triangle. Look at it. That's a triangle. I made a triangle with my hands. Can we draw a triangle? A line down, across, up. And that's a triangle. Very good, friends. Now that we know our shape of the day, let's talk about our color of the day for today. Well, the color of the day today is the color red. Yes, red, like the ingredient for our cooking activity for today. Yes, our color is red. Now let's talk about the number of the day. The number of the day today is the number 7. Yes, 7, just like our days of the week. Can we count to 7? Well, let's go, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wonderful. It's 7 days, and number 7 is our number for today. Now, friends, let's find out about our letter of the day for today. Take a look at the letter of the day. Our letter of the day is the letter A. A for alligator. A for astronaut. A for apples. A. Amazing! That's our letter for today. And let's take a look at our area of the day today. Aruba. Our country of the day is Aruba, and it's located in the constituency of Netherlands. It's in the Caribbean Sea, and it's only 29 kilometers away from Venezuela. Take a look at the beautiful Aruba. What a beautiful area of the day. Now that we know all these awesome and amazing things, we can talk about our lesson for today. Now, yesterday we created a solar oven, and today we're going to be using that solar oven to create our cooking activity recipe. Today what you would need is a little cinnamon, an apple. You can use more than one or just one apple. Now take a look at how you can make your very own cinnamon apple using your solar oven. You're going to get help from your parents just to slice up the apple and take out the seed. And then we are going to cover this apple with some delicious cinnamon. And then we're going to put it in our solar oven. Now we have to wait a little while because a solar oven takes a little time to cook, so we can make this activity, and by the afternoon we can enjoy it with some ice cream or even by itself. So how does that sound? Alright friends, let's take a look at the result of our solar oven apples. Unfortunately, because we had cloudy weather today, my apples did not cook as they should. Now if this happens to you, of course you can put it outside another day and see if the apples cook nicely. So what I did is put it in the slow cooker, and these are the results. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed today's activity and recipe, and I hope you have fun when you taste your delicious, wonderful cinnamon apple recipe. Right? Of course you can try this on the stove later with your parents' help, but it's really cool that you can make it on your own using your solar powered oven. Alright friends, thank you so much for joining me this week. I hope you had lots of fun. Don't forget to click the like before you go, and of course I'll see you next time friends. Bye everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.